Intro. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if Newton is truly the best crypto platform in Canada? Well, let's dive into that today. I'm your name, and I'm here to break down the pros, cons, and everything in between about Newton. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's explore the world of Canadian crypto. Hook. Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of crypto, surrounded by countless platforms, each promising the moon. How do you choose the right one? Is Newton the golden ticket, or is there a better option out there? Context. Before we delve into Newton, let's establish a baseline. What makes a crypto platform great in Canada? It's a combination of factors, including security. Your funds should be safe and protected from hackers. User experience. The platform should be easy to navigate and use. Variety. A wide range of cryptocurrencies should be available. Fees. Competitive fees are essential. Customer support. Reliable support is crucial when you need help. Newton breakdown. Now, let's put Newton to the test. Pros. User-friendly interface. Newton is known for its clean and intuitive design. Even beginners can easily navigate the platform. Wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to more niche coins, Newton offers a diverse selection. Competitive fees. Newton's fees are generally competitive with other Canadian platforms. Security measures. The platform employs various security measures to protect user funds, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. Cons. Limited advanced features. While great for beginners, Newton might lack some advanced features that experienced traders may desire. Customer support response times. Some users have reported slower than ideal response times from customer support. Comparison. Now that we've explored Newton's strengths and weaknesses, let's compare it to some other popular Canadian crypto platforms. Coinbase. Known for its global reach and brand recognition, Coinbase also offers a user-friendly experience. Kraken. A more advanced platform with a wider range of trading tools, suitable for experienced traders. Binance. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance offers a vast selection of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. Is Newton the best for you? The answer to whether Newton is the best crypto platform in Canada depends on your individual needs. If you're a beginner looking for a simple and secure platform, Newton might be a great choice. However, if you're an experienced trader seeking advanced features and a wider range of trading options, you might want to consider other platforms. Additional factors. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that the platform is fully compliant with Canadian regulations. Educational resources. Look for platforms that offer educational resources to help you learn more about crypto. Community. A strong and active community can provide support and valuable insights. Conclusion. Ultimately, the best crypto platform for you is the one that meets your specific requirements. Newton offers a solid foundation, especially for beginners, but it's essential to weigh the pros and cons against your own needs and preferences. Call to action. Have you tried Newton? What's your experience with it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto content. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.